The Voice of the People Party (VPP) on Tuesday organised its second phase of public meeting at Nongstoin on the issue of roster system and reservation policy. The public meeting aimed to seek support from the public as far as the demand to review the state reservation policy and to provide proper and correct perspective to the public on the implementation of the roster system. Speaking in the public meeting, VPP Chief Arden Miller Basayamoit said that VPP is not only a party which came into existence just to fight the election, but to stand for the issues of the Jait Bin Rio and the state as a whole.
The voice of the people party ang ifikam day tanga seng in election mereka dengan seng kaban yang nang tanga chat real mereka seng kaban yang nang tanga ri baru boy gombang ila bu yang kata kecil ijnai yang penra patba yang kata vision dari kecil ijnai to revive, restore and transform Meghalaya.
Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Minister Alexander Lalu Hek